In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move buttons in Shopify. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can quickly change where your buttons appear on your store without touching any code. This is especially helpful if you want to adjust your product page layout, tweak your homepage, or simply improve how your customers navigate your site. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in the main admin area, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This will open a section where you can see all of your themes. Your current live theme will be at the top of the list. On that theme, click the option to edit the theme. This will open the theme editor, which is where all of the changes we're making are going to happen. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your store on the right and a list of sections and blocks on the left. At the top of the editor, there's a page selector. Use this to navigate to the page where the button you want to move actually appears. For example, you might choose your product, page, your home page, or another page or section you've set up. Take a moment to switch to the correct page so you're editing the right place. Once you're on the page you want to work with, focus on the left panel. This panel shows all the sections that make up your page layout. Find the section that contains the button you want to move. When you've located it, click the small right-pointing arrow on the left side of that section. This expands the section and reveals its blocks underneath. Now look through the list of blocks inside that section and find the one labeled as a button or buttons. When you see it, hover your mouse over that block. You'll be able to click and drag it. Simply drag and drop the button block up or down in the list to rearrange it to your preferred position within that section. As you move the button block, keep an eye on the preview on the right. The preview updates so you can see exactly how the new button position looks on the page. This is a good time to check spacing, alignment, and how the button flows with your text and images. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. That's it. Your button's new position is now live on your store.